It's not often that we can find a tool that doesn't cost us anything. And thanks to Michael Groom Designs, we have a new tool, and all I had to do was wander around the boys' shed and look for a block of wood that I could hold easily in my hand, and it's the perfect thing to make flat bits of crockery pieces. So if you're having a bad hair day, how good is it to come out into the workshop and just go whack? And there we have a whole bunch. That one I'd like to smash a bit more. Whoops. But I'll get rid of all these tiny little things that I can barely hold. So I think I'm going to call this, and because you know that I name everything, the Groominator. So here's a great big piece. Let's see how this one goes. I might do it long ways. See, it's a very versatile tool. Pretty good. But I wonder how it would go if I had a plate that actually had a flat edge. These are all curves. Now I've got one of those lovely pink ones that I used the other day, which is flat. Let's see if I can whack that. Not as easy. So we need stuff with curves. This beats going out and pruning some trees when you're having a bad hair day. Just come into the workshop and flatten some tess out. Turn these over. Obviously, bigger bend requires more diligence. How cool is that? Now I'll go through and sort all those little bits out ready for the next project. See you tomorrow.